Yoon and Nera sit on the couch and Jimin stand in front of them while folding his hands and Yoongi come. Yoon see Yoongi and smile and then look at Jimin and looking down. Yoongi see them and come inside. Yoongi, what is happening here? What is happening here? Era look up, by heard his voice. Era, you come. Jimin, Era looking down. Yoongi, anyone tell me what happened? Anyone tell me what happened? Jimin asked them, they tell you. Please, mom, forgive us. We never do this again. Jimin looked at Yoon, who gulped. Yoongi, Era, tell me what happened. Era actually gave us breakfast we didn't do, and we also forget our lunch. And Yoon, someone in the school, and I help him. She said, make Yoongi eyes widen. Yoongi, what? Yoongi, what? Both he touch you and also tell you he teach you and also tell you some. He said make Era and June eyes wide and I please I don't want anyone else expect mama, please I'm sorry I never do this again. Yoongi, I thought to send you on trip, but your trip is also cancelled now. Both shocked. Both what? Please, I'm sorry. It's not my mistake. Please forgive me. Yoon, please. Yoongi, go from there. Jimin see them. His heart. Yoon, please. Both start crying. Jimin sign. He went to them. Jimin, you both did wrong. He worked for you before you hold and I also make sure to complete you everything, still you did this with him. It's wrong, Yun, please forgive us, it's our first and last mistake. Jimin nodded. Jimin, both go in your room and sleep, I talk with him. We Jimin knocked on the door but didn't get any response. He again knocked on the door but still same. He signed and opened the door. Jimin entered in the room and see Yoongi sit on the bed and looking down. He is looking intense. Of course he is, just because of Yoon and Era. Jimin, Yoongi. Yoongi look up and see Jimin. Yoongi. Jimin come sit. His voice is normal. He don't want to pretend. Now he's tired and also Jimin sit beside him. Jimin, are you okay? Jimin voice is also soft, which is giving him peace as usual. Jimmy Yoongi, yeah, I am. What they did? Why they did this? Jimmy, it's alright, Yoongi. They are still kid, and I promise they never do this again. Yoongi, look at him. Yoongi, you know them more than me. You know them, Jimin, because I stay with them 24/7. But you have to manage your office. Also, don't. That's why, Yoongi. Sometimes I think I am really a good. Jimin, you are the best you need. Jimin, Jimin, yes, sometimes explanation is needed. Yoongi-san, Yoongi, you become so mature now. Jimin, I am to be mature. Yoongi, you are here. Jimin, yeah, I am here. I am here to talk about Yoon and Era. Yoongi, see, I know they do mistake. You already give them, you stop them to watching TV and playing video games. Please now don't cancel their trip. Please, both are crying. Yoongi, I know they do, but they have to realize. I know they do, but they have to realize their mistake and don't. I will know. It just I want they learn lesson. See, Jimin, if we said them, they go and they will think we forgive them on that one too, and it's not good for them. They again and again repeat their mistakes. So we said. Uh, your that's why Jimin, yeah, but it's universal is always of Yoongi, I know Jimin, but okay, but I also don't talk with them, they will be alright, they will be worried. Yoongi, please at least talk with them a little bit, you know how much they are sensitive. Yoongi, like it. Jimin, oh really, huh? And today what they did, they pick from you. Okay, Yoongi, like I do everything in front of them, they know. Jimin, and I know I become sensitive in front of them, huh? They pick this from me, Yoongi. It's about Jimin, so so say Mr. Min Yoongi. Yoongi, it's a simple. We want to say here, so also I am wrong. Yeah, Jimin, if I said you will accept Yoongi, like if I said no. uh, um they eat, Jimin. Yeah, I make them eat, and now they must be sleeping or waiting for me. Yoongi, I will do dinner later, you go to see them. Jimin, you are saying I'm soft, and here look at you, Yoongi. It's just I'm worried for them, nothing else. Here in the dining table, today is Sunday. Yoon and sit on the chair. Jimin, now again you both don't listen me. Yoon, we are waiting for him to come. Jimin sign. He sit on his place. What he said them now. What he said him now. Jimin, go in the room and call him. Simple, guys. You go and call him. Jimin, he's your not my. You know, you stay in our room, so he's our your also. Then he said, make Jimin shocked. Jimin look at the other side and see Yoongi stand there with widened eyes. Jimin looking down. He's feeling so. I said something wrong. Jimin, do your breakfast. He said and went to the kitchen. You clear Yoongi clear his thoughts and sit on his usual seat. Era, good morning, Yoongi. Morning. Era, makeup out. Uh, Mom, see, come. I said something wrong. He asked from Era, who Sana's low like she don't know anything. Jimin come and just sit on his usual seat beside Yoongi. Era, mom, feed me. Jimin nodded and went to her. You talk with him, Jimin. You what she said, Jimin. No, both make up out and whispering, but it's clear to Yoongi. Yoongi is smiling internally to see them. He took some courage and called him. Yoongi look at him. Yoon, forgive us. Let us go, please. We do a lot of fun here, please. Mama said, Jimin, you both go whatever I do, huh? You also do fun with. He said, Jungi choked his first and gave him a glass of water. Yoon and Aira looked at each other. Suddenly, what happened with Yoongi? Yoongi, you both go. Now, stay silent. Don't talk in front of me about all this. Both become so happy and went to Yoongi. Yoongi, it's alright. I trust you both and forgive me also for making you. But still, you don't allow to play video games, okay? You are accepted. Yoongi, now sit on your seats and do your breakfast silently. And Yoon, you have to take care of your sister. Yoon, I will. Said Jim, focus on me, not Lily. Yoon, I don't want. I don't know what's your problem. I don't know what's your problem. I don't know. Huh. Era, I just tell them so they tell you nothing else. Young Lily is going. Yes, I am. Yeah, everyone is going. Jimin San, Jimin, seriously, you see your age. Yoongi, well, I really want to meet my Yoon means Yoongi about to speak. Jimin, nothing. Mom, come. We invite Lily home, please. Result, okay. Yoon makeup out Jungi. It's okay if you get 50%. Yoon smile. Jimin dare to like you. Yoongi, what like me? What I did? Huh? Jimin, you also do. You also don't do studies in uni life, and now don't let him do. Yoongi, oh hello. If I don't do studies, then I am not handling a business now. Jimin, oh really? Taking notes of Jungkook. Yoongi, so he's my friend. It's not wrong to take your friend notes. I am just not like you, huh? Book who always busy with book. I enjoy my uni life. Jimin, I know how much you do. Yoongi, oh hello, Mister. Don't drag the topic. Otherwise, I really enjoy. Jimin, because of you, other students, whenever come university, they said they come in Yoongi. So why they look at the thing which is my Jimin? So what? Huh? They just passed beside due to Joe eyes Jimin girl. Jimin, leave it. We will talk about this later. Yoon, it's true. You are that much. Jimin, Saval is who did not know how to respect someone. Yoongi, what you are telling about me to them, it's true. I am and I want you be like me. Jimin, dear, no way. Yoon, you have to be a good man. Your means is not a good. Yoongi, huh? Such give me answer. Jimin, I am saying about university life. Yoongi, so what if you have to then you have to be like me, Jimin, I also study there, but I am never like you, Yoongi, because you have me. I took care of you. Really? You took care of Mama Jimin? No, Yoongi, yes, I do. I don't even let anyone to say Jimin again about to speak, but Yoongi speak. Yoongi, remember one thing. Get the thing. Yoongi, what do you mean like us, huh? Jimin, like we are living. Jimin, like we are living. Yoongi, it's because of Jimin Ju. He said and go from the Yoongi. What I did, you also did the same thing. Okay, we both are in fault. Jimin, at least you agree you are in fault from the living room. Yoongi, you also agree. Now you both do breakfast. Complete your breakfast. Okay, I see him. What he said, and go behind Jimin. Ira, suddenly, what happened with them? They don't even talk, and now Yoon arguing like a Tom and Jerry. Ira, the world most biking what goes to mama and dad. Yoon, seriously, I am also shocked. Suddenly, what happened with them? I think if don't stop now, mama threw the water on him. She said, and both start laughing. And again, hearing the voice of Yoongi and Jimin, both, it's your fault. It's your fault. Everyone leave. It's my fault. The time for it's time them to go. Yoon and Era going on the trip. Their bus is outside. Yoon is talking with principal and driver. He come and see Yoon and Era and Jimin. Jimin, take care of yourself. You both okay? Stay beside each other and attend my calls on one ring. Okay, don't go away from your group. Stay with your teacher and also eat your food in on time and sleep on the time. Your mom. It's just about 1 week. Why so emotional? Jimin, I am worried for you both. That's why I am saying all this. Okay, I will miss you, Jimin. I will miss you too, Yoon and. I start to miss your hair, Jimin. You are really like your Yoongi. Hey, why you always drag me, Jimin? Because he's like you. Era, okay, okay, not again. What I do. You are that much beautiful. Jimin smile and pinch his nose. They both on their forehead. Yoongi, if you both have any problem, just call me, okay? Both nodded and both waved their hands and run outside. Yoongi goes, so he makes sure they sit on their seats, and he come inside and see Jimin. Jimin, see now they both are alone. Jimin, they go. Yoongi, yeah, don't try. I sent my guards with them. Jimin nodded. It's time. It's night time. Jimin, huh? Now I have to spent 1 week without them. Yoongi, they will do enjoy there. Jimin nodded with the light smile and about to go. Jimin, listen. He called him. Jimin turned. He looked at him. Jimin, yes, Yoongi, Yoon, and Era is not here. So how you stay there alone? I mean, you feel to stay alone. So you come in my room. I don't have any problem. He said and looked at Jimin. He no. Jimin said no. Yoongi, mind you already know his answer. Then why? Yoongi come in the room. He see Jimin is not in the room, and then he see a water, and then he heard a water drop falling voice. So Jimin is in the he go in the changing room and come out. She sit on the bed and start to wait for Jimin. After 6 years, time is rounding again. Jimin come out. Yoongi see him, his eyes stuck on him. Jimin didn't notice he is standing in front of the mirror and started doing his night routine. He look up and see Yoongi staring him. He looked at him through the mirror and remember the time. The time was so beautiful. And then Jimin's phone started ringing. Both come in the reality and Jimin see the caller ID. He didn't attend the call and switch off his phone. Yoongi see Jimin is looking at Yoongi went to him. Yoongi, what happened? Want to share? Jimin looked at him and nodded. Jimin, someone is calling me and said I go and meet him. Yoongi, what from when? Jimin, like from past 2 days. Yoongi, and you are telling me now, and I ask that's why. Something with you, what I did, huh? He said, and Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, Jimin, you still Yoongi san. Yoongi, now it's enough. It's enough now. More than anything, I never you. I am trying to pretend. Still, you are the same person. You are the king of my. Still, it's. I am tired now. Jimin, please finish this misunderstanding. I want a normal life. I also want you to stay with me here. Whenever I wake up, I see you. I also want to spend my time with my family, but here I always stuck what family you and feeling from me. They need you talk with me. It's Jimin, can't we make everything alright? Can't we also spend a normal life full with happiness as we imagine? Can't we? He said, you want to know everything? I will tell you what happened exactly. Okay, so 16 minutes. Next one I stop on the where the past finish. Yoongi come university, he didn't search anything and sit on his seat, not beside Jimin. Jimin, see? Jimin, what happened with him? He didn't sit beside me today. JK, you forget what you did yesterday. Jimin, so I what I said him so many things, but he never do this. Now see, JK, maybe he really feel. Jimin look at him, and then professor come and start to give them lecture, and then a girl come. She's looking like new student. She come and sit beside Yoongi. Yoongi didn't say anything. Jimin, what the? Why she sit beside Yoongi? Why he sit alone? See, she come and sit. You have any problem, Jimin? No way. Why would I have? He said, as he said, and again start to focus on the lecture. Actually, his eyes is on Yoongi, but he want to focus on the. I'm also going cafeteria, and it's true. Girl, or really, then let's go together. And here is enough for Jimin. Jimin, what she think about herself? And you mean Yoongi, you wait. What I do with you? He mumble and go to and cook smile. Cook, she's. This is what I want. They both drew high-five. Yoongi about to go, but she feels someone hold his hand. He turn and see Jimin hold his hand, and it's unexpected. Jimin, Yoongi, don't we have to go library? You are going cafeteria, Yoongi, huh? Library. Jimin, I know you are at me, but it doesn't mean you sit with Annie. He said while looking at the girl. What you said, Jimin? What you are doing, huh? Don't you know he's my? Sorry, actually, you must be new, so you don't know now. You know, right? So stay away from him. He said to make Yoongi shocked. Jimmy, let's go. I will see you outside. He said and Yoongi gulp. Yoongi, yeah, and she take Yoongi with him. JK, wow, that's so amazing. And you, she point toward the Yoongi and Jimin come. Jimin still holds Yoongi hand. Yoongi gulp and see Jimin. Both stop and Jimin leave Yoongi hand and turn to him. Yoongi is avoiding eye contact with him. Jimin, why are you not looking at me? He said. He said with the most beautiful smile on his face. Yoongi, I'm feeling scared from you. Don't talk with me like this. Jimin, are not you are the one who wants me to talk with you politely? Yoongi, I said politely with this. Not with this tone and smile. Jimin san, Jimin, I am sorry for yesterday. So as I told you before, I did everything. Just that don't call your parents. Forgive me, okay? And stay away from that girl. Remember me, Yoongi. You are. He said and looked at his eyes. Yoongi is shocked by his sudden. Jimin, first I want us to complete studies. After that, I told you about my. But now I feel. But now I tell you from that girl. He about to go, but Yoongi holds his hand and Jimin look at him. Yoongi, you are saying truth? Jimin smile. Jimin, yes, I am. Your effort was. Yoongi can't believe feeling so happy. He's the happiest person on the earth. He started jumping in happiness, and Jimin realized how much him smile and went to him. Jimin, so now if I see you with her, remember this, Min Yoongi. This will be your last day on the first you and then myself. Yoongi, why I look at anyone when I have Jimin, now let's go cafeteria. I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything from last night. Yoongi, wait, Jimin, because of you, Kitu. Yoongi, but I eat a lot. Jimin hit him. Jimin, now you pay my bill. He said, and Yoongi, check. Yoongi, if you want, I buy the whole university for you. Jimin, no, I don't want university. I want food. They both go inside after everyone got to know. After almost 5 months, everyone know about Yoongi and Jimin, and they are so happy because everyone know how much effort Yoongi put and what she did and what she did. Their university arranges small function for students, so they do studies before because after that it's their students, so they do enjoy because after that it's their finals. and they get graduate from university. They all come, Yoongi, Jimin and Jungkook, and they both now got to know Tae and Cook are also, and Jimin is so happy. Jimin, I'm so happy. Finally, you both are real. JK reveal means you know Tay. Tay what Tay? He is my best friend. I don't hide anything from you, JK. Then yeah, then you do what yeah, but then you do also what we do. Tay as well. And Jimin Tay he is saying he just want to teach you nothing else. GK Animo Yoongi, yes, stay with whom you both want to stay. Them, he asked with the confused face. Yoongi and Jungkook, Tae and Jimin, both eyes widen. Jimin, you both don't have a JK. What? I heard the word first time in my life. Yoongi, the word exists. Jimin, yes, it exists, but you creators don't have. Don't know, JK. Now do whatever you want. Both you are stuck with us. Jimin, then let's do. JK, hey, it's your and Jungkook personal matter. Why are you dragging Jimin? Huh? He hold Jimin hand and change his side. JK, oh no, huh? How can you be so? Jimin, in Yoongi matter sorry, Yoongi, in Jimin matter I am. He sudden roll his eyes. Jimin san, Jimin, you both stay silent. Remember one thing, we leave you. But if you continue your drama. Roll her eyes. Nina, I am here to talk with Yoongi. Yoongi raises eyebrow and look at Jimin, who is giving glares. Yoongi, me, why I don't know you, Nina, but I know you, Yoongi. I am your biggest fan. I want your autograph. Yoongi, what's my, but why? Nina, I said, nah, I am your biggest fan, Yoongi. What I did, you are my friend. Nina, you are handsome. Yoongi, thanks. But sorry, I don't like Nina. Oh, come on, Jimin. It's a simple autograph. Jimin, no, go from here. Nina, look at Yoongi and sign. Nina, okay, she go from there. Jimin, what? Yoongi, you are looking so beautiful. He nervously smiled and then principal them call them to come and sit on their seats. They have to show something. They all look at each other, nodded. Principal, so you all must be thinking. So sending a Singapore, Yoongi, same bro. Jimin, I know will surely write my name. Today, my two professors asked me about my family. Yoongi, Jimin, cook us, bro, us. Then congratulations, guys. We four are permanent, and then they fix the laptop with the LCD, and on the laptop. And on the laptop, this is what make everyone shocked, especially Yoongi, Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook. Yoongi, Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook, in which Yoongi is a girl, Jungkook stands and JK. Everything is okay, but why I stand beside him? Tae, shut up, the principal. What is this? And then Nina come and stand in front of the principal. Nina, sir, are these? Sir, this I said, Yoongi, if then don't do this. She start crying. So on that day, the girl with sit with Yoongi's Nina, Jimin, what is all this? And Jimin holds Yoongi hand. Yoongi look at him. Yoongi, Jimin. Jimin, I believe you. Yoongi, don't cry. I'm with you. Yoongi nodded. Principal, mean Yoongi, what is this? Jimin, sir, it's all. I don't. I know. Yoongi, don't do anything. Principal, how you are sure? Jimin, sir. Nina said she come here to set Yoongi. She is Yoongi fan and she wants his autograph. Nina, no, I didn't set all this. How can I set to the person? Jimin, sir, we have habit whenever we all are together. We do recording us so we remember our memories. Wait, I give you. They give me your phone. They remember, and she gave his phone, and she on the recording. The video is real, Jimin. The video is showing the date yesterday, right? And the yesterday night, Yoongi is also not at home. Yoongi, Jimin, see how no, he's telling that himself. So actually, principal, what is all this? Nina, don't you have? How can you do this with your class fellow and also with call your parents? I don't be a student like you in my university. So Yoongi, we are sorry, we don't trust you, Yoongi. It's all right, sir. Principal gave him smile and the function over. Jimin, what she think about herself, huh? She's she sudden turned to Yoongi, who is staring him with his widened eyes. Jimin, what, Yoongi? Thank you so much for trusting me. I'm not scared from anyone. I'm just scared you believe me or not. Jimin, why I don't. I do. Why don't I believe you, huh? Yoongi back and his smile. JK, this is what showing how much you both are sincere with each other. Jimin smile. Jimin, huh? Yes, and you, Jungkook, what you are doing there? JK, I'm also shocked. They all laugh and Yoongi look at them with done face. Yoongi, seriously, guys, everything is going. Everything is going smoothly until one day Jimin come home and she see and what she see makes him shocked. His parents lay on the Jimin say him is shocked. Jimin, listen, this is not what you are thinking. Jimin, mom, dad. He went to his parents. Jimin, mom, dad, listen, please, mom, dad, don't leave me, please. He started crying. Yoongi went to him and put his hand on his shoulder. Jimin, stand up. Jimin, why you did this, huh? Why, how can you do this with me? Yoongi, what I did with you? You did this with me, he said and started. Yoongi, listen me, Jimin. Listen me, Jimin, I did not do anything. I didn't listen him. Jimin didn't listen him. Sorry, Jimin. You might trust you. Yoongi, I promise I did nothing. Jimin, trust me. Jimin, what you are doing here? Yoongi, listen me please, but he didn't. Yoongi try his best. Jimin listen him. He do everything, work by himself like there. Jimin is not even in his. He sits on the ground while hugging his knees. Yoongi sits in front of him with the food of a tray. No matter how much Jimin behaving wrong with him, Jimin eats something. Jimin look at him and on the side, Yoongi see look at him. Jimin, what you want? You want me also? Yoongi Jimin, I am telling you, I didn't do anything. Listen me once. Jimin, I don't know what you get after doing this. I just know one thing. Go from here. Yoongi, how I leave you like this? Jimin, if you don't leave me myself and I such everyone, I am because of you. He said, looking at him with. He said, and looking at him. Also, that Yoongi go and they don't know. Huh. Yoongi, so you don't believe me. Jimin, the situation is like this. Yoongi, how can I believe you? And you are also present there with the Yoongi. Listen, your dad called me. Called me and said he want to meet me. He said he want to talk with me. He said he want to talk with me about you, Jimin. But what about me? Talk about me, Yoongi. Actually, Jimin, it's not Jimin, it's not I'm them they do. Jimin, what Jimin look at him, he can't believe what he is saying. Yoongi, yeah, they said there is something you don't know, you are not there, they are not sure. Jimin, huh? Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, actually, Jimin, they don't have anyone, so they, and one day your parents called and said they want you back. They don't want to, so they and then search me to take care of you. Alright, I am used to now. Jimin, huh? Watching you up, nothing. He chuckled and Jimin smiled with the tears. Jimin, you are so, but still, my Jimin, Yoongi. Jimin, but you with someone. I come to talk with you, but when I see Yoon and Era, I thought you are happy. They are so small, and there your dad sees me and talk with me. You Jimmy Yoongi, seriously, you think I do all I do this with you, Jimin? I'm not understanding anything, Yoongi. I said in this like I don't, but now I will never leave you. I don't care how much I get. So Mr. Park, Jimin, and after that I see Yoon and Era both are on so small, and there I got to know someone leave them here. I Yoongi, so I don't know it's you. Jimin, oh really? You also agree to someone said your Yoongi, so what I do, huh? No one is ready to accept Yoon and Era. I have to set them. Jimin, why can't you tell me? Yoongi, oh really set by yourself. I also have a self respect. Jimin, oh really now your self respect. Yoongi, who said it's just I am telling you what I think on that time. Jimin, you from here. Yoongi, our whole life spent like this. It's alright, I don't mind. He said and look into another side. Jimin smiled. Jimin, I don't even think we have that much misunderstandings. Yoongi, yeah, if you listen me, then it won't happen. Jimin, oh, you wanted that I did wrong. Jimin, Yoongi, no. When I said it's my mistake, Jimin, good for you. Huh. And Jimin, now you ask me. He said, and Yoongi closed his eyes. Yoongi, I miss you so much. Jimin, me too. Yoongi, this is first time you give me the right reply. Otherwise, you said I don't think so. He said, and Jimin chuckled, smile. He know he also always do this with Yoongi. He hide his face both. Stay like this forever. Jimin, why you pretend you didn't remember it? Yoongi, because I don't want to repeat anything, but now I tell him the truth. Jimin didn't say anything. He closed his eyes. Yoongi, Jimin. Jimin, Yoongi, finally we are together. Jimin, yes, finally. Yoongi, I am sorry for everything. Jimin, me too, Yoongi, and also now I will believe you no matter what's happened, and we never tell Yoon and Era anything. They are our. Yoongi nodded and back. Yoongi, yes, he smiled. Jimin, so I am going. Yoongi, where Jimin in my room? His innocent eyes, Yoongi, I don't these eyes, Jimin chuckled. Jimin, where? Yoongi, you still know how to melt me, huh? Jimin, yes, I know. He pinches nose. Yoongi, and it's true, Yoon is your copy. Jimin, and Era is like you. Jimin, yes, she is. Yoongi, Jimin, Jimin, look at him. Yoongi, can we make our? Jimin looking down. Jimin, it's all because of me, Yoongi. We face all this, Yoongi. Pitchin, Yoongi, it's all happened just because of our age. We are not mature enough to handle all this and nothing else. I don't think so don't think too much, okay? Jimin nodded. He know Yoongi is so understanding person. And they are sure 7 years, okay? So it's also there, both are final, the text is finished. He Jimin said something. Yoongi, look at me. He said, and Jimin, look at him. Yoongi, look at me. He said, and Jimin, look at him. Jimin, what? Yoongi, seriously, you are totally same. You don't even change a little bit. Jimin, yes, I am same. Yoongi, cut off by Jimin. Jimin, now you are making me by asking again and again. He said, and Yoongi smile. Jimin, see him. He don't want Yoongi. Jimin, are you okay? But Jimin already fell in sleep. Yoongi won't disturb his sleep and let him sleep peacefully. Mera, yes, I am. And Jimin see himself. This is what he wish to have. He don't want anyone, and see finally he get. Okay, so last two texts. 1 week pass. 1 week pass. Jimin and Yoongi is watching movie while Yoongi is disturbing Jimin. Jimin, Yoongi, don't disturb me. Focus on the movie. Yoongi, how can I? He speak further, but they hear the doorbell. Jimin smile. Jimin, Yoon and Era must come. Yoongi, oh, how can I forget? They both come today. He of the movie, and Jimin open the door and see Yoon and Era. A smile to see him. Yoon and I, we miss you so much. Jimin, me too. I miss you both so much. Finally, you both come. They see Yoongi. Yoongi smile to see them. Yoon and Air both show. Yoon smile. Jimin look at him with done face and smile. And smile. Air meet with Yoongi. Yoon really teach him a good lesson. He starts smiling. Jimin, Yoongi, yeah, and yeah, you are right. He said, Jimin, Yoon, you must be tired. Go. You no way, I can't accept this. He stay with us. Yoongi, no, he stay with me in my room. Yeah, but well, Yoongi is your mom, and right, so he stay with me. Yeah, but she stay with us from start. Now also he stay with us, Yoongi. No, you both go in your room and sleep. You know I take him with me, Yoongi. I take him with me. Jimin, you both stay silent. What you guys are doing? You, Jun, tell him you stay with me. Yoongi, tell him you stay with me. They show their puppy eyes. Jimin, look at him. Jimin, you both continue. Yeah, let's go. Jungi. Okay. So here is the last part. Hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe and also comment. Take care of yourself. Sarang game.